Hi, I'm sitting inside the 2019 Acura RDX. The feature I'm going to go over with you today is how to set your lane keep assist. So the first step to setting your lane keep assist is on the steering wheel you would hit main. When you hit main, you're going to get indicators in the center. You'll see ACC, and then next to that one you'll see Lkas on top. If it's green, that means it's good and ready to be used. Lkas stands for Lane Keep Assist System. So once you see that, you would keep driving. All you have to do is hit this button right on the steering wheel. When you hit the button, you'll notice you'll get lines in between them. When it's hollow like it is right now, that means it hasn't caught onto the lines that are on the road. When those little squares become solid, you'll start feeling assistance in the steering wheel, which will help you stay inside of the lines. Keep in mind, this is not meant for sharp corners. It's not meant to be autonomous. It's a system that assists you while you're driving. If you have further questions about this feature or another one, please give us a call. Thank you and have a great day.